Alright, let's talk about my camera bank. But before that, I would like to talk about my feeling. Yes, my feeling. When it comes to travel or short trip or even hiking for a couple of hours at the weekend, I feel like I'm uncomfortable. Yes, I'm totally uncomfortable. I need to think about every equipment that I have, every equipment I own, every single device I have. Do I need to take my prime lenses? Do I need to take my zoom lenses? What kind of audio do I need? How much loaded my camera bag? And all these questions. I don't know, is that overthinking or anxiety or whatever it is? To me, it feels like that. I don't know about you guys. Please let me know if you have the same feeling. But how did I solve it? Let's discuss. Whenever I plan a trip, I get that nagging feeling. It's not just about packing clothes or figuring out where to go. No, it's about the gear. I start thinking, what if I leave something behind? What if I bring too much and end up with a heavy bag? It's this going mental debate that keeps repeating in my head. So here, what's in my camera bag? And this is where the overthinking kicks in. First up, the Sony A7C II, my main body. Obviously I need this, but what about lenses? There is the 16 to 35mm PZ f4 zoom lenses, a great all-rounded. Then I have the 20mm f1 prime lens for those low light, shallow depth of field shots. But with just these two, do I have enough range? Sometimes. I used to bring everything just in case. You know how it goes. You don't want to be caught without the perfect lenses, right? Then the accessories, ND filters, tough Sony SD card, as a backup Lexer SD card, okay, a couple of SanDisk SD cards, so lots of SD cards, Powerbank, Rode mic, Dead Cat, okay, action cam, alright, bunch of spare batteries. You know, without batteries isn't really possible. Travel tripod. Alright, it's just a tripod. Handheld tripod. Just in case for recording in a cafe or on a desk. Alright, but really, how many do I need for one trip? I used to think I needed all of it, and guess what? I ended up with a heavy backpack filled with everything, really everything. I also have a WANDRD 9-liter sling bag, a more compact option for when I want to keep things light, but does it hold enough for those longer shoots? Then there is a McKinnon everyday Sling 8-liter bag, which is slightly different, but which is super stylish and functional. But again, do I need to carry everything? And that's the issue. I will load up everything and halfway through the trip, I've just realized my bag was unnecessarily heavy. It's slowing me down, you know? So, how do I solve this? Simple. Cut back the organize. I would set up 2 dedicated bags. One for videography and one for short trips. It's made my life so much easier. I know exactly which one to grab depending on what I'm doing without overthinking. For longer trips or when I need everything, I use the WANDRD Prvke 21-liter with the photography bundle as always. It's set up perfectly with the essential camera cube, making it super easy to load everything I need. But for quick trips, I stick to either my WANDRD 9-liter sling bag or the McKinnon 8-liter sling. And if it's really minimal, I use my camera cube to create dedicated compartment inside any bag I want to use. It's all about simplifying and using gear that fits the specific trip. Another important step I took: selling what I don't use. If something's just sitting in my bag unused for months, I let it go. This makes packing quicker and the entire experience more comfortable. So think about it. Less really is more.